Welcome to DataPencil. I'm Kalyani Bhatnagar, founder of DataPencil, and I welcome you all to part 4 of our 100 Queries SQL Challenge. So let's see part 4 tasks one by one. And our first query is to categorize courses as cheap, medium, or premium based on price. Query 2, label students as new or old based on sign up date. Query 3, classify instructors based on experience since they're joining. Query 4, find total enrollments year-wise. Query 5, show month-wise course enrollments. Query 6, identify inactive students, means no enrollments. Query 7, classify course completion status. Query 8, find courses enrolled in during the last 6 months. Query 9, show students with total courses enrolled. Query 10, identify high value students based on total course value. Query 11, display courses and their demand level. Query 12, find average completion percentage month-wise. Query 13, identify students who enrolled but did not start learning. Query 14, show courses value contribution category-wise. Query 15, find the busiest enrollment date. Query 16, rank students based on total course value. Query 17, identify courses with poor engagement. Query 18, label students as active or inactive learners. Query 19, find students who enrolled but dropped out early. Query 28, and this is the last one, and which is identify top 3 most enrolled courses. So this is it for today. See you in the next part. Till then, take care and keep practicing. Good luck.